What is up guys, how's your Sunday going? Today's video is gonna be very interesting and also super useful for a lot of you people out there. So make sure to smash that like button right now. Like karo, subscribe karo, thoda motivate karo guys. Anyways, lot of people keep looking to buy home theater systems, right? That too these days na, wireless home theaters are the current trend. But thing is, wireless home theaters, especially like wireless subwoofers, are like pretty expensive in India guys. But Zebronics has actually launched something very interesting. I think this is one of the most affordable wireless 2.1 channel home theater system and actually features like a wireless subwoofer. So this is their all new Juke Bar 8700 Pro, recently launched in the Indian market and comes with like a Dolby Soundbar plus a wireless subwoofer. And this entire setup can produce around like 160 watts of total RMS output. Plus you're getting lots of interesting features as well. I am very excited to unbox and check it out. We'll talk about the pricing details also, everything basically. You'll get full information about the product in this video. Let's get started. Our brand new Zebronics Juke Bar 8700 Pro came in this sort of box packaging. Packaging seems to be slightly different from their previous model. You're getting a blue finished box over here and mentions the product and model details on the box packaging. You even have a picture of the product over here. And main highlight, as I've told you, it comes with a wireless subwoofer. So let's quickly get started with the unboxing guys. You have the subwoofer at the top, followed by soundbar on the bottom, followed by a couple of accessories also. Let me quickly unbox them one by one and show it to you. And there you go. Here's our very first look at the soundbar. It's a Dolby soundbar with dual drivers on board and has a very compact and mini form factor. You know what, looking at the whole size and feel, it'll go perfect with 43 inches 4K TVs guys. You have the Zebronics branding over here and also has a very nice look and feel. We'll come to the design and talk about that in a moment. Let's also quickly check out the subwoofer. So there you go, our brand new wireless subwoofer that you're getting with this Dolby Juke Bar from Zebronics. Definitely quite heavy for a compact form factor. It weighs around like 3.5 kgs. So that's it, and along with that you also have some accessories which include two wall mounting brackets for the soundbar, two power adapters, one for the soundbar and the other one for the subwoofer, because I've told you right, it's a wireless system. You're also getting a 3.5mm to RCA cable, two AAA batteries for the remote, some wall mounting installation stuff, and lastly this is your remote control for the home theater system. Compact, minimalistic and has a nice soft touch feel. Lots of options and buttons also available. Very similar to their previous Juke Bar series. We'll get back to this at a later part in the video. What I'll do is I'll quickly set up this brand new Juke Bar 8700 Pro, use it for some time and then be right back to continue this video. Alright, I've been testing this brand new Zebronics soundbar at my place for the last couple of days and there are so many points I'll be sharing with you people right now, so make sure to watch this video till the end in case if you're planning to buy this model. First of all, let's talk about the design and the build quality. Zebronics Juke Bar 8700 Pro has a compact sort of form factor and is very much suitable for like 32 inches or 43 inches 4K TVs guys. Would be like a perfect pair for them. And talking about the design, soundbar has a very classic and premium sort of look and feel. The entire body is wrapped in a glossy piano black sort of finish and has a really rich look and feel for the price that you're paying. And the front panel is covered in a mesh sort of metal grille. On the front left you have the Zebronics logo followed by Dolby Audio logo on the right side, and at the center you have a tiny status LED display that automatically lights up when you power it on and shows lots of information like the current input source it's set to, volume up and down, or any sort of customizations you do in the audio, right? It shows everything over here. There's nothing on the left side. On the right profile of the soundbar you've got 4 buttons guys, basically your media control buttons, which include a power button, volume down, volume up and a source select button. Quality of these buttons is also nice, feel tactile and clicky. And at the back, here's how the soundbar looks like. Let me give you like a closer look and show you all the available connectivity ports on it. Connectivity ports are a bit limited though. You're getting an aux input, HDMI input is also there that supports ARC as well, and this USB is not for pen drives, it's only for upgrade, and lastly a DC input. There is no optical in, wish it had that support. So that was about the soundbar, and have a look at the subwoofer as well. It's a decent size subwoofer guys, and main highlight is it's fully wireless. You don't need to connect any sort of wire from the subwoofer to the soundbar. Simply plug in your power adapter, switch it on and it automatically syncs and connects with the soundbar guys. As easy as that. So setup part was also super simple, and right now though I've connected it to my TV via HDMI ARC only. Anyways, if you talk about the build quality of the subwoofer, super build quality guys as usual, enclosed in like like fully MDF material wooden enclosure. And to the right here you can check out its subwoofer driver. It comes with like a 5.24 inch subwoofer speaker, and at the back also has like a tuned bass reflex port. We'll definitely talk about the overall performance, in terms of audio and all of that in a moment. But before that, now I'll quickly, load up some content over here, play some YouTube videos or maybe some movies. Just have a look at them, listen to the audio clips, and then we'll get back and talk about the sound quality of this 2.1 channel home theater system. What is up guys, Vimal here and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is gonna be super interesting. So even before I start the content, right, make sure to smash that like button. Now you people know about Alienware, right? They make like beautiful gaming laptops. Now me personally, I kinda like their design language, the kind of performance it offers. Okay, you people saw those demos, right? What do you think? Share your thoughts in the comment section down below. Now, before I share my opinion and feedback on this model, first of all, you'll have to keep in mind that it's a very affordable category wireless 2.1 channel home theater system that even supports Dolby audio, guys. So do not expect like premium sort of results. For the price that you're paying, this thing is actually doing a good job. Mids were crisp and clear, vocal clarity was nice. I've played variety of content over here, guys. Watched like a couple of web series, movies, dialogue delivery was on point, and stereo separation was also decent considering it's a soundbar. And if you talk about the treble quality was fine, though not fine like premium quality home theaters that you get from Zebronics only, but still TK for this price point is what I can say. And coming to the bass, man, initially I was a bit skeptical. Matlab, it's a compact looking subwoofer, na? But nothing like that. It was actually producing like decent bass over here because it's got like 5.24 inch subwoofer speaker that is capable of up to 90 watts RMS output, right? So it was definitely producing like really good bass with a decent punch and also a bit of low frequency rumble as well, especially if you're watching movies like Transformers or maybe scenes which have like a lot of gun firing and bomb blastings and stuff like that. See, if you're like a very casual guy and this is your very first home theater, or maybe if you're looking for something on a budget, right, this might be like really good for you guys. Definitely will get your job done. Overall audio quality was like good for the price that you're paying. If you ask about the THD levels were decent over here. Up to 60-65% there is not much of distortion, but beyond that you can feel slight distortion in the audio. And overall audio output is also quite loud and sufficient, guys. Like I've told you, right, it can produce around like 160 watts of total RMS output and is like more than enough for a normal home sort of usage. I couldn't go beyond like 25 plus volume level only. It was like decent and sufficient for my place. There's one more thing I have to say, guys. Juke Bar 8700 Pro offers like full on EQ customization. You can customize the treble, you can customize the bass levels as per your requirement using its remote control. And not only that, it even has like 4 audio modes to choose from, like music mode is there, movie mode, news mode, and a 3D virtual surround sound mode is also available. Well, that's it, our video on Zebronics all new Juke Bar 8700 Pro. It's a good 2.1 channel Dolby Soundbar with wireless subwoofer. You're getting decent connectivity options, good quality sound, and that too with a powerful 160 watt RMS output. Couple of things though I felt I have to mention is connectivity ports were a bit limited as I've shown you during the unboxing, and also Zebronics could have given an option to turn off the display, especially when not in use. That's it. Apart from that, everything else were great. This soundbar system costs around 7,999 rupees. I'll leave a link to that in the description box below. You can check it out there. If you all enjoyed watching the video, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.